Hello everyone, this is Shandong Great CNC Company. I'm Kenny. Today we are in our welding machine factory. Let's give a brief introduction of our leader welding and cleaning machine. When we come in, this is the finished product area. We can see the different settings for machine share, and we have different settings. And the blue and the green one have different settings of machine area, and we also support customers' products. Okay, let's go on. This is the mini size. The mini size has small size, and it can save the shipping price. Okay, let's go on. You can see the little source. We have recurse little source. This is the reset little source, and we also have max GBT as zero. Okay, you can see the black one and the white one is the water chiller. We also have different brands, and this area is semi-finished product area. This machine is a video welding machine. You can see this is the welding gun. This is the control panel. Let me see. The machine uses reset little source and hand lift water chiller. Okay, let's go. The last is the assemble area, and you can see this is the product operating floor. Okay. This is a brief introduction of our leader welding and cleaning machine. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you.